Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 with a keyboard and mouse on your PlayStation 5. It's important to know that Fallout 4 does not natively support keyboard and mouse input on the console. This means simply plugging in your devices won't work for gameplay. To achieve this, you'll need to use specific external tools or methods, which we will explore in the next few slides. Let's dive into the details. One of the most effective ways to use a keyboard and mouse for Fallout 4 on your PlayStation 5 is through a specialized hardware adapter. These devices act as a bridge, translating your keyboard and mouse actions into signals that your PlayStation 5 recognizes as controller inputs. Popular options include the XIM Matrix or the I/O Jar Keymander 2, which are designed to provide a seamless experience by mimicking a standard controller. Setting up your adapter is straightforward. First, plug your keyboard, mouse, and your PlayStation 5 DualSense controller into the adapter's specific ports. Many adapters come with a companion application for your computer or mobile device. This app allows you to precisely remap every button and fine-tune mouse sensitivity, giving you full control. You can even save multiple custom profiles for various games, ensuring an optimal setup for each title. Another viable method involves using PlayStation Remote Play. You can stream Fallout 4 from your PlayStation 5 to a personal computer. On your computer, you'll then use third-party software, such as Rewast, to map your keyboard and mouse inputs to a virtual PlayStation controller. While this offers flexibility, be aware that it can introduce some input lag and requires a very stable, high-speed internet connection for the best performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.